Alright guys, today's day one of the Eclipse build. Just hooked up my jumper to it and gonna put it into the shop right now and lift it up. There we go. Gonna go ahead and start it. Oh my goodness. I know you want to. Oh, come on. There's too much oil in the cylinder, I think. Come on. Almost. Woo! There we go. I like that. Wow, blow this damn thing up. Oh yeah. I'm not gonna pass smog like that. This bad boy is crunchy. Oh, man, this thing's got an 80-year-old back. There we go. I also want to give you guys a quick look at my oil from this motor. As you can see, it's a mix of vegetable oil and some McDonald's frying oil. No, I'm just kidding. This thing has coolant, metal shavings. It has regular oil, obviously. But dang, it is so messed up. Like, this is fresh oil. It has maybe, I don't know, 2 miles on it. Oof. Yeah, this motor's fried chicken. Check it out, guys. The whole motor's out. I'm leaking gear oil. Oh my god. But once again, without a motor. Man, it's like 4 times already within a year. Unbelievable.